Hey friends, today we're showing you guys this bird feeder camera. We're going to open it up, show you guys everything you get in the box. That way you are prepared. It's pretty hard to tell by photos these days what stuff looks like. So, you get a little manual, little setup guide, a little mounting bracket guide. This is pretty cool. So far, they have everything packaged very nicely. Okay, so this is going to be your mounting bracket. So what you're going to do is you're going to mount this in wherever you want it. You know, some people put it in trees, some people put it on posts, wherever you want it. It gets mounted like that. And then your camera and your whole housing unit sits on top of here. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like. You got your little roof, I call it. You got your accessories inside here as well. Some more accessories, charging cable, and all that fun stuff. Let's go ahead. Alright, so you got your mounting brackets as well in here. Quite a few items inside this kit, so you definitely get a lot of stuff here. So this is what it looks like. Here's your camera. You can pull this out because you can use this, guys, as foam. But there's your camera. Remove all the plastic around your lens. Tilt this forward, and this is going to give you access to your reset button, your power button, your charging port, and also your TF card slot. And you go ahead and you fix everything and put all that stuff through there. On the back here, now you don't have to use this Type-C port ever unless it's not charged from factory. What you can do is you can use this one on the back, and that's going to run your cable to there. So that's going to be for that. You got your antenna. You guys can adjust that based off of your needs. Let's go ahead and open this up, my friends. Show you guys the solar panel. You get plenty of cable for the solar panel. Mounting bracket. So this is your solar panel, and this will take sunlight, convert it into energy. You plug this into the back. So that gets plugged into the back where we just showed you, and that's going to power your camera, which is pretty awesome, guys.